Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add LinkedIn Insight tag to Google Tag Manager. First, go to tagmanager.google.com. Select your container. Click Tags from the left menu. Click New. Click Tag Configuration. Select Discover More tag types in Community Template Gallery. Search for LinkedIn Insight tag. Select LinkedIn Insight tag. Click Add to Workspace. Then Add. Get LinkedIn Partner ID and Conversion ID. Go to LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Navigate to Measurement. Then Conversion Tracking. Click Create Conversion. Choose Insight Tag Conversion. Fill in conversion details. Choose Tag Manager. Copy the partner ID and conversion ID. Paste IDs into Tag Manager. In Google Tag Manager, paste partner ID. Choose Event Specific. Paste conversion ID. Click Triggering. Choose All Pages or Specific Trigger. Name your tag. Click Save, then Submit to Publish. And that's it. That's how to add LinkedIn Insight tag to Google Tag Manager. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.